Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Brian. I do fragrance and luxury related videos, so if that's something that you are into, please consider subscribing. So today I thought that I would come on and quickly do a review or what fits into the Chanel Minio case. And this is the most recent one that I've purchased, and it is from the 19S collection. This is patent calf skin, and I just love the print. And I intend to use this as a catch-all slash wallet in my bag, not for coins or cash because that would dirty up the inside of the case. I don't want to do that, but since I use cards mostly, I thought I would use it for that as well. So first, we'll go ahead and put a couple of cards in, and these will represent my driver's license and debit card, which I always have to have on hand. So we'll stick those in first. Okay. And next, we'll put in a few lip balms. I'm a lip balm addict as well, so let's go ahead and try. First, we'll try the Marc Jacobs lip oil. We'll slip that in. Okay. I have an OG. This is a lip oil as well. This is my favorite lip oil. I saw this on Instagram, and for me, I think this is the best lip oil to wear, a lip product to wear with a mask because it isn't sticky. And I'm not sponsored. I just saw this on Instagram and I ordered it, and I really like it. So we'll put that in. All right, let's try the Laneige lip balm. I think I can get another in there. And then I have the Chanel. This is the Allure Camellia Blanc lip balm. See if that'll fit. It's kind of getting tight, so let's see if it'll close. Yeah, it will close. Okay. So we'll take these out and we'll try a few larger size lip products that I have and see if they'll fit in. Okay, so let's put in first the Paw Paw Ointment Multi-Purpose Balm. It's pretty big, and let's see if it'll fit. Yeah, it does fit. It's pretty tight. Okay, then next I have a Lancer lip balm or lip oil from Nordstrom. This is pretty good. It's pretty pricey, 42 bucks, but I do like it. We'll put that in. Yeah, okay. Now we'll try this Rihanna Fenty Beauty Lip Balm. This is really good as well. Let's see if that'll go in there. And it does go in, but I think that's about it because these are pretty large. And so yeah, that fits. And so I have those 3 lip products and my credit debit card. So let's take that out. Okay. And this Paw Paw ointment is a little tougher to get out because it is so big. All right, there we go. So that might not be a good idea because it's so big, but it does fit. Okay, next I wanted to see if my hand sanitizer would fit in. This is the Touchland sanitizer spray, and I only use spray hand sanitizers in my bags because the gel spill and they can ruin the bag, so I am really into the spray now. So let's see if this will fit. It's kind of big, but it might. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it does fit, but there's not much room for anything else. So if I push it over, I could maybe get another lip balm in there. One lip balm. Let's see if the Chanel Allure Rouge will fit. Okay, so it does go in. So let's see if it'll close. Nope, it won't close though. It's a little too big. Let's try maybe a slimmer lip balm. I have this smaller Jack Black lip balm, so let's see if that'll fit in. Okay, so it does go in right there. Let's see if it'll close. Yeah, it does close. So that'll work. Okay, so it does fit the spray hand sanitizer, 2 cards and 1 lip balm. And I wanted to try and see if this perfume would fit. I don't think it will, but I wanted to try. And this is the Chanel No. 5 Low travel spray. So let's see if it'll go in. It's pretty bulky, but it might. Okay, so it does go in. And it does make the case pretty wide. So let's see if we can put a few lip balms on top. Let's see. How about this Dior lip pomade? We'll put that in. Maybe one more. And try the Laneige since it's kind of small. Put it right there. I don't know if it'll close, but it might. Okay, so it does close. It's pretty packed though. So yeah, so I just kind of wanted to come on quickly and do this video with this Chanel Mini O case. It's great for lip balms, credit cards, sanitizers. Just a really nice multi-purpose SOG. It's my favorite SOG, by the way. So yeah. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.